Hey everybody, it's Garret Alan Auto Custom. Today we're going to take a look around our 2000 Econoline budget build. And I wanted to take a tour around this van to show people that you don't have to have a $100,000 RV or a $100,000 van that's built out professionally. You can build these things yourself very affordably, or you can have somebody like me build them. You know, if you wanted me to have it built for you, you could email me and I could get you a rough estimate and we could go from there. But today I just want to take a look around this cozy van. It's got a lot of the amenities. It has a propane stove, it has a sink, it's got a full-size bed that folds into a couch, it has a roof vent, it's got LED lights. You know, it's all finished out. A lot of the stuff that's in here is part of the conversion van, and I modified everything just slightly to be a little more ergonomical for camping. I extended all the top shelving and I made all the storage available to this van. So basically it's got everything that those high-end vans have. And I just wanted to show people around, you know, help people out, get you outside, get you in a cozy van, and just show and prove that it's capable to have a budget build. So today, let's just take a look around this thing. Come on inside with me and I'll show you what we got going on. This is a very basic setup. It's very easy to construct if you have the basic knowledge and skills of plumbing and woodworking. I custom built this whole cabinet myself. Yes, it takes up a lot of room, but it saves a ton of money. It keeps you outside, keeps you in the backcountry, keeps you at the campground. Cook right here. You don't have a ton of setup. You don't have a clunky camp stove. You know, it's very, very simple though. Down low, underneath here, I have got an LP tank that you can get at any grocery or gas station. It's located over there. This blue tank here is the freshwater tank, and then this bucket here is the dirty water tank. So essentially, it's all 12 volt. The sink runs on what's called a SureFlow pump. It's available on Amazon. You can get it from a lot of places. I buy all my stuff from a secondhand RV store. So I also have a Dometic glass top stove. It's a 2-burner. It's very simple. It's got 2 knobs. It's got a striker on it. Hit the button. You got flames. You're ready to start cooking. You know, as soon as you start that up, you want to go ahead and open up your roof vent, which I'll show you in a little bit. But you always want to have a roof vent in a camper van. Gets the moisture out when you're sleeping, and if you got a stove, it'll get the gases out from the stove. So very simple setup. It's all custom built, but it works great. So now we're going to continue back to the back and look at the bed setup. All right, so in the back of the van, I've got this in the couch form right now. This is what I like to call the bed couch. It's on a slider. It's really awesome. This is a full-size bed when it's slid down, couple custom-made cushions, some side storage on the edges. It's very simple. There's a panel down here that has a hinge, folds. So if you peel these down, it reveals the panel. You grab it, slide it forward, goes down into a bed. Slide the cushion back, boom. Got a full-size bed. This thing's pretty cozy. You can sleep like this. If you're a taller guy, you're probably not going to be very comfortable, but it is doable. So yeah, that's the couch bed. I'm going to peel these cushions out of here and show you what I got going on underneath of there. All right, now with the cushions removed, you can really see what I got going on down here. This center panel is just on slides. It also folds up into itself. And it's fully removable. It was super important for me to be able to remove this so you can still use this van as a van. That's one thing about camper vans, is they're only camper vans. But with this design, you're able to slide that right out and you still have all this room. You can put multiple mountain bikes in here. You can put bouldering pads and all of that good gear that you need to have a great adventure. On the sides, we have these storage units. They're great for tow straps, things like that, your emergency roadside stuff. all the stuff that you don't necessarily need to have great access to, but you want to have it along for a good trip. So that's the basics of this, and we'll move to the storage. All right, so as far as the storage goes, is these panels here were in the conversion van. The face plates were all here. But what I did was I removed them and I extended them as far as I could. The size of them, when I got the conversion van, they were pretty much made for VHS tapes. This back one was the most moved. It's actually great size. You can put all your sleeping gear in there. You can put pillows and your blankets. And then in the sides, it goes all the way back to that, and then all the way forward to the front of the van. Tons of storage room. Continuing on from that, we'll look at the roof panel. The roof panel, I took all the way out, and I custom built this panel, and then I custom installed this roof vent. We also have 4 LED lights and a fully operational roof vent. All right, that's the tour of the van. Thanks for sticking around and watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. I have a bunch of different videos, and I plan on doing a lot more videos. This is my custom-built camper van. If you have questions, please leave a comment, and I'll be happy to answer any questions that I have and help you guys out with building one of these things out. So, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Peace.